Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to prepare a pot roast. Nice chunk of meat. What I'm doing right now is I already put some oil on the bottom of my Dutch oven pot. I'm going to sear the meat on all sides. I'm going to put a whole bunch of nice spices in there, and then we're going to throw it in the oven. It's going to be delicious. It takes about, I would say about 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes to sear the roast per side. I like putting my timer on. Okay, let's flip this guy over and sear the other side. Okay. I want to do the sides a little bit too. Today would have been a good day to wear an apron. I don't know what was in my brain this morning. I think I was pretending to be one of those celebrity chefs. Far from it. I'm just having some fun, that's it. Okay, so this is nicely browned, nicely seared on all sides. We're going to take this out. This is very heavy. Put it in here for now. Put it aside. Okay. Now in here, we're going to add the garlic. And you know me and garlic. I'm going to turn this down to very low. Garlic, some salt, some pepper, okay. put in a couple of the bay leaves. Save some more for on top. So now while we're doing this, oh, I forgot the onion. It's fresh little onions right from my garden. Okay. So now that we got that in there, so we put garlic, bay leaves, pepper, salt, and the onions. Okay? You can see that. Okay, now we're going to put this baby back in. On top of that. Okay, so now that we put our chunk of meat, our roast back in, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put it in the oven. I already preheated my oven to 350. I'm going to put it in the oven covered. I'm not taking the cover off. For the first half hour, I'm gonna leave it at 350. And then after half hour, I'm gonna drop the temperature to 300. And it should take about an hour and a half to cook. Another thing that I'm gonna do, which I love, is my thermometer, my meat thermometer. So what I'm gonna do is pot roast, I believe is 165. There you go, beef 160. I'm going 165. So very easy. What you do is, that's in. Okay, we're gonna set temperature to go to 165. Okay. This is the easiest thing that they came up with. I love it. You take the thermometer, you put it right into your meat. Like that. It's oven proof. That's it. And you leave it. This is oven proof. It will not, nothing will happen to it. Okay? You put that in your oven. That's going to stick out. When this beeps, it's going to tell me that it's at 165. The roast should be ready. Simple. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, and here you go. Roast is done. Just beautiful. I put some carrots in there and gonna make a little bit of gravy. Beautiful dinner tonight.